Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, children. Okay, we started with which topic?
Determiners.
Determiners. Okay. Any doubts you have in the topic?
Determiners.
Any doubts? We had completed yesterday use of article the, then possessives, then demonstratives, indefinite article, little, much, more, many, few. Adakshaj, what is the sound there?
Sorry.
Any doubts you all have? You all have any doubts? Who's that? Gowdan? Okay. Now open to page 172.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
What? What you didn't understand?
I didn't understand possessive.
What?
Possessive.
Possessives. Something that belongs to a person is a possessive noun. This book is mine. Whom is it belonging to?
And to me.
So that is a possessive. Something that belongs to somebody is a possessive noun. This country is ours. This country is belonging to whom? To us. So this country is ours. This school is mine. If the school is belonging to me, it is mine. The car is theirs. Whose car is that? It is theirs. Who is there? It is somebody else. But it is still belonging to somebody. So it is theirs. So anything that belongs to someone is nothing but possessive. And in pronouns also I thought we learned about possessive pronouns. This car belongs to him. This doll belongs to her. This doll is hers. Anything that belongs to a person is possessive. Possessive is nothing but something that you own or something that is yours. Something that belongs to you is possessive. Yes, Rohit?
Ma'am, the link is not there, ma'am, so they are not joining.
What?
Ma'am, there is no link. Ma'am, in Google app it's not opening, ma'am, English link. So we join with the code. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now we will not waste time, children.
Ma'am, other people can't join, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, now any more doubts?
No, ma'am.
Sure?
No.
There are already 33 of them. Yes, any more doubts? Adakshaj, is it clear?
Ma'am, it is clear.
Okay. Next, now open to worksheet 5, page 172. Fill in the blanks with this, that, these, those. Which type of determiners these are?
These. Ma'am, demonstrate.
Yes, very good. These are demonstrative
Demonstrative.
determiners. Okay, these are demonstrative determiners. Now, you need to fill it with this, that, these and those. Dash tree is worshipped in India.
Those three.
Why those? They have given you tree.
And
Tree is
that.
singular. Why you
And
have said
that.
those?
And that.
That. How do you know it is that?
And that.
This. You don't know which
This
tree
one.
it is. Yes, it comes as this, not that. You don't know which tree. So you say this tree is worshipped in India. So the first one will be this. This tree is worshipped in India. Second one. Dash men are diverse.
Those men are divers.
These. the dash is in between the sentence, write small t. If it is in the beginning, write capital. Next, dash days.
Those.
Dash days. Life has become very hard. Has become. Has
This
become
is
is in the
present.
present tense. Has become is
This.
present. Yes, this. Not those. Has become. Just see the sentence. Has become means it's in present.
Ma'am, these it should be.
Yes, these days. So it is these days. These days, life has
Ma'am,
become very.
Ma'am, fourth one, these notes are.
Okay, we are not done.
Ma'am, I wrote wrong.
No, no.
Yes,
Fourth one.
ma'am.
No, I did. It's not wrong. I have not read the fourth one. The fourth. Listen, yeah. I have not. I just skipped the fourth one. I will do the fourth one now. These roads are wider than dash roads. This road is wider than dash roads. Those. We are pointing out to something that is far away. Those. Fifth one. Dash days. Life has become very hard. Yes, now it comes as these days. Life has become very hard. Is it become very hard these days?
Yes, ma'am.
Present situation. Why? Why has it become very hard?
Corona.
Yes, because of the pandemic. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So because of this pandemic, because of this coronavirus, life is really become very hard. Okay?
Coronavirus.
Yes. So 6, 7, 8. Do it for your homework. 6, 7, 8. Write HW. Done? 6, 7, 8. What no? Just write HW. Don't do it now. Waiting. Immediately then and there when I'm writing, you need to write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now see the second one. Fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. Now what do we need to add here?
These, that.
What do we need to add? Fill in the blanks with suitable determiners.
Determiners you have to add.
Which determiners? In the first one, we had added demonstrative determiners. Now, in the second one, what do we need to add? What do we need to add in the second one? Which determiners? Which determiners? Possessives.
Conjunctive and adjective.
Articles. We need to add articles. You remember we had done articles in 4 kinds?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Everything I will remember and remind you.
Oh, and
Fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. He was neither dash profound. Yes. Yes. He was neither a profound nor yes. Yes. Nor a scholarly writer, but his work is characterized by clarity and good taste. He is dash prime mover. Yes, very good. He is the prime mover in dash revival. Yes, very good. in the prime revival of dash light-hearted essay. Yes. Of the light-hearted essay, blending humor and sentiment, which was very popular in yes, yes, the in the early decades of again the of the 20th century. Yes, yes, the
And same like we have to do third one.
yes.
Ma'am, third ones also we have to fill with articles.
Yes, do the third one. It's the same one. Fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. Read the sentence and do it. I'll just give you 2 minutes time. Quick.
We're completed. Done, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Wait, we'll just give another 2 minutes for others also to do.
I'm done.
Complete fast. Rest of you. Complete fast.
Completed. Ma'am, done.
Turn on your cameras. Turn on your camera. Okay, completed most of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt you had? Any problem while doing it?
No, ma'am.
What about the others?
No, ma'am.
Parisoni,
No, ma'am.
Rohit, Aditi,
No, ma'am.
who's that? Amaya, Siddhant, Parth. Have you done the third one? Shivraj. Okay, shall we move to the fourth one? Fourth also is the same. You need to add the determiners. It is a conversation. What is a conversation?
Between father and Advait.
What is a conversation? I'm
Ma'am,
asking
a
you what.
topic between father and Advait.
I'm not asking you about what it is given. Whom is the conversation? What is a conversation?
Ma'am, preparing all the chapters.
I'm not. Don't tell me what is there in the book. I'm asking you what do you mean by conversation? Conversation means what? I want the meaning of
Ma'am,
it. Yes. A talk between.
Communication, ma'am.
Yes.
People talk each other.
Yes. Somewhere that you talk with each other is a conversation. When you talk between people is a conversation. Now complete the following conversation with suitable determiners. Father, Abhay, have you prepared all dash chapters?
All the chapters.
Yes, all the chapters. Right, the fourth one. The yes, Dad. Only dash chapters need revision. Now here, listen here. Listen, children. First. Now here it is not about articles and the. It is about yes. It is about a few more determiners. It is about a few more. Like yesterday we did a few, little, much, many more. Yes, yes, Dad. Only dash chapters need revision. Yes. Yes, listen. Listen. Yesterday, while I was teaching you many and any, I told you when do we use many? When you have a question. When you have a question. So here there is a question. Do you need dash help? Do you need dash help? Yes, see the board. I've written on the board. Do you need dash help? I told you when we need to ask a question. Yes, when you need to ask a question, you use the word any. So, do you need any help? When you have to ask a question, you use any. And when do you use, when we have to make a request, what do you use? When we have to make a request? Some. Yes, we use some. Give me some water to drink. Give me some sugar. That means you are requesting something. But when do we use any? You use any when there is a question. Do you have any doubts? Now when I ask you, I use the word any. Do you have any doubts? That means it is a question I'm asking you. Next, yes dad, let me talk to dash friend on phone. Yes, my. Now, which type of determiners? Which type of determiner is my? Yes, possessive. My friend, that friend is mine, so it is mine. Possessive. Of course, you may use dash phone as much as you like. No. You may use dash phone. Your phone. The phone is yours. You may use your phone as much as you like. Again, this is a possessive determiner. Your. That means the phone belongs to the boy. Abhay. Your phone. Dad, you are dash most accommodating father on dash earth. Yes, the most accommodating father on dash earth. Yes. Why the earth? Why the earth? Why not an earth?
Because we are particularly speaking about the earth, now it is a proper
Special noun. It's a special noun. Any doubt? Okay. Now, open to page, the next worksheet. Yes.
Page number.
Turn your page. What page number? Who's that? Worksheet 6, page 174. Number 5, the fifth one. Fill in the blanks with some, any, much, many, little, a little, the little, a few, etc. He lost dash money he had saved.
Much. Many. Some. A few. A few. None. Much.
Take the example of yesterday's glass of water I gave you, sorry, a glass of milk. I told you little, a little, the little.
A little.
He lost dash money he had saved.
Little money.
The little, he lost the little money. That means whatever money he had, from that also he lost. Did you understand? Whatever money he had, that money also he lost. So it is the little. He lost the little money he had saved. whatever money he had saved, he lost everything. Okay, now for example, he had saved 100 rupees. From that also, if he had saved 100 rupees, from that he must have lost 80 rupees. That means the little, that means from what he had, from that also he lost the money. So it is the little. Whatever money he had saved, that little money also he lost. Next, the municipal corporation should solve the problem created by stray dogs. There are
Many.
dash cases of rabies. Yes, many. Yes, many. There are many cases of rabies. What is rabies? You have learned this. What is rabies?
Some diseases are diseases for dog.
Disease caused by corona.
No, ma'am.
Yes, a disease caused by the biting of dogs. It is rabies. Next, in this zoo, there are dash rare animals.
How many? There are a few.
Yes, yes, you can see few. You can see even many because there may be many rare animals also or there may be a few also. So both are correct. You can write many or you can also write a few rare animals. But most of the time this is correct, a few, because rare means what? Rare is something that you don't find very commonly. So there may not be many that are rare. So you can write a few. Do you have dash money in your wallet?
Some.
Yes, some.
Some.
Yes. Do you have some money in your wallet? His phone is always busy. He receives dash calls.
Many.
Yes, many. Now, 6, 7, 8, put a bracket, write HW. Okay, now see the sixth one. Again, we need to fill it with appropriate determiners. Fill in the blanks with appropriate determiners. The sixth one. Have you all written this? Everyone is done?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 6, 7, 8, do it for your homework. Next, fill in the blanks with appropriate determiners. Dash international craze for shawls. Dash international. Yes, the international craze
The next.
the international craze, sorry, this will come in capital T, okay? Because we are starting with this the paragraph. The international craze for shawls made of Satosh dash wool of kings. Yes, yes, the write it again in capital because there's an inverted comma. There's an open and closed inverted comma. The wool of kings will make yes, the chiru, the second one, will make the chiru Tibetan antelope extend in dash years.
In the year.
Listen here.
In a few years.
Yes, it is not only based on articles. They have given you determiners in common. Now in the previous worksheet we had done a and the, but this paragraph has all the determiners wherein you have to use all of them, a and the, possessive determiners and somehow much many more, all this. So extinct in dash years. The Supreme Court's directive to the Jammu and Kashmir government to ban the manufacture and trade of Shatush products has come into force. Though dash people are taken unawares. Yes. The though the people are taken unawares, dash of them are in favor of this. Dash people are in favor of this. Yes, some of the people are in favor of this, or even you can write a few people are in favor of this. You can write some, or you can write few people are in favor of this. The Chiru's wool is got by killing 3 or dash animals. Yes, good. 3 or more animals. Very good. Don't you feel dash crime? Don't you feel dash crime? You need to use the demonstrative determiners here. Don't you feel this? Yes. That is why I told you need to include all the determiners here. Articles, possessives, demonstratives, and also the other articles. Don't you feel this crime is one of dash most serious crimes? Yes, the. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Doubts?
No, ma'am.
Shall we go with the 7th one?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, fill in the blanks with correct determiners. It is a fact that dash people do not like to take risks.
Some.
Many people don't want to take risk. Now see, coronavirus is going and not going. Are there only some people taking risk, or are there many people taking risk? Yes. If you say some, that means out of so many, only a few must be not taking risk. But a few or most of them are taking care. So it is a fact that many people do not like to take risk. Wait. Okay. Second one. You can take dash book. Both are very interesting. Yes, any. See here, both are very interesting. Any. You can take any book. Both are very interesting. Dash time, I called him. He gave me no response. No. Why many? Any time, not many. Listen here. It is any, it is not many. Why it is not many? Because time, time. It is not times. When you write many, it comes many times. But they are given only time. So it is any. Anytime I called him, he gave no response. Not many. If it was times, then you could have written it as many. But here it is only time. So it is no, that, not that. That time I called him, he gave me no response. No, any time I called him, he gave me no response. Did the property go to dash the brothers Deepak and Maya? Yes, any. Did the property go to any of the brothers? Dash one was in the room. Someone was in the room. Some. Sixth one. She found dash in the classroom nor in the canteen. Neither. She found dash in the classroom nor in the canteen. Neither. That means she did not find them in the classroom nor did she find them in the canteen. So it is neither. Next, 7, 8, 9, 10. HW. Eighth one, solve it now. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Solve the eighth one. Okay. Once there were many artists, one of them painted Parth Laku. Sunaina, tell me the answer. One of them painted dash garland of flowers. Yes, one of them painted a garland of flowers. It was extremely beautiful and artistic. Dash B came and settled. Dilip.
Ma'am, I attended now.
Right.
Because of and busy.
Now the class is almost getting over, Dilip. Dash B came and settled. Amol is there? Amol?
What is eighth
Hmm? I will read it out. Now I will not call anyone's name. I will read it out. Just check if you have written correctly. Once there were many artists. One of them painted a garland of flowers. It was extremely beautiful and artistic. Now you will continue. Dash B came and settled. Yes, a bee came and settled on dash picture.
The picture.
Yes, the picture. Yes. Dash other artist painted. Yes. The other artist painted dash basket of fruit. The other artist painted a basket of fruit. Dash ox, and who said Rohit, Nobel, and yes, and ox try to take hold of it. Dash visitor, yes, the visitor could judge which picture was better of the two. Dash pictures were really beautiful. Dash pictures, yes, the. Very good. Whoever has written it right, good. Now, whatever homework you have,
What is last time?
Many of the pictures were really beautiful. You can write many of. Many of the pictures were really beautiful. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now complete your homework, and you have any doubts, we will again do it tomorrow. Okay, or in the next class. Fine?
No, ma'am.